Good morning. Look at that sunrise. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Windy this morning. We're up early. We're headed to Yuma. Well, we're headed to Mexico, actually. It's time to get some shrimp tacos. We're doing a day trip. Yeah, we're just going to go spend the day in Los Algodones. Beautiful morning. It's quiet. I do hear a generator off in the distance. All right, we're going into Los Algodones, Mexico. Once we get through the parking lot, that is. You ready?
I am so ready.
Are you so ready for some shrimp tacos?
I am.
This is the new entrance. I didn't show this last time.
Maybe one more. No. Two is better than one. You've got two. Valtteri is coming, so. Yeah. Oh, look.
Es cierto. Two for me, shrimp taco, and two for her.
Yeah. Once again, shrimp tacos from Lapitas. So good. So good. Let's look at the shrimp. Let's go see if our jewelry's ready.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
Awesome. Woo! It's been 7 hours later since we've eaten tacos, so
maybe 9.
Yeah.
And just so we're all clear, I'm not driving.
That's right. Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day,
Happy
everybody.
Valentine's Day.
Red and pink balloons.
Oops. And we made it out. And even you made it out.
I did.
You almost didn't make it in.
I know, they wouldn't let me in. They said that they would let people in without passports this year, but next year they will not. And that I need to get a passport to get into Mexico.
Yeah. Used to, you didn't have to have a passport to get in.
Well, used to they didn't even have anybody there. They didn't care.
No. Let's go see the babies.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So we got back from Mexico, and now we're playing some cards, and we're eating a little snack. And I told Deborah, I said, I bought you some special crackers. And she's like, what? And I said, I picked these out because these crackers were having a party. These are very, very entertaining crackers. Well, I was in the store and I was like, oh my gosh, they really are entertaining.
They're
I gotta
having
get
a party.
These. Yeah, she'll love these.
Entertaining crackers.
Entertaining crackers. Buy these and you will be entertained.
Monitoring. WB7SIK. Repeater.
So, many of you probably don't know that I am actually a ham operator. And I've not operated for years and years and years. And I only did operate minimal back in the day when I first got my license. But we were at QIA the other day and we met Star and she had her radio on. And I asked her about it, and she said, you should get on. And she gave me the frequency. Of course, I can look all that up online. So I did, and I've got it programmed in. to the local repeater here, and it's Thursday night at 7 o'clock. They have their net. So I'm going to listen in. We'll see if I actually communicate tonight, actually push the button. Yeah, I hadn't been on my ham radio and I don't know when. So anyway, pulled it out of the graveyard. So I'm going to be monitoring and may even make contact.
Yeah, this is KI7JPC, Ernest here. I'm not real sure what we're going to do for the weekend. Kind of playing it by ear. We haven't been out to Cova Wildlife Refuge and the Palm Canyon area. We may try doing that Saturday.
Yes, AC, it is this Saturday. That is the big to-do out at the airfield. That's when the Mexican food truck's going to be there with some great food. They also do have a night flying session this Friday the 13th. What could go wrong on Friday the 13th, flying at night? No, it's always a good time.
TET, this is Jana.